Yeah. Are you joking? You don't have to ask me. You can see that it's been bad. So you don't even have to say anything bad.
What was your favourite bit?
Jesus, I mean, you had temples, and then you had the sesh, and then you had temples, and then you had the sesh, and then you had temples, and then you had the sesh, and then the sesh. You had temples, you had temples, and then you had the sesh, and then
Don't tell me what I gotta do. Understand that I'm the truth. I ain't really got a lot to lose. That's why I fuck with you. Now I'm not really one for attention. Shine a light through a prism full spectrum. Pull the curtains back, you're in my dimension. Lay back and just forget the pressure. Always in my life, it's alright. I come from, people never make it out. I'm a 5-star brain in a 2-star town, and I'ma give it back when I have enough money in my hands, enough for the friends and the fam, and I owe it all to Yahweh. Lord knows that I couldn't do it my way. Almost bought a ticket for the fast lane. Now I'm hopping on a flight to the Everglades to forget the pressure. Always in my life, it's alright. Understand that I'm the truth. I ain't really got a lot to lose. That's why I fuck with you. Lay back and just forget the pressure. Always in my life, it's alright. So lightning in my mind, it's alright.
You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same.